Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD CAD, US dollar, Canadian dollar for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of USD CAD in front of us right now, and if you have watched my yesterday's video on USD CAD on Friday, then you can see that the overall setup of USD CAD has remained the same, because we have got an important level on the chart of USD CAD, and the level is 1.2610. This is the most important level on the USD CAD chart right now, because this level is a support from the weekly chart. If we go to the chart of if we go to the weekly chart here, then you can see that market has almost come down to the weekly chart here, and previous week also market has taken support. Okay. So there is a good possibility of market reversing from here, and on the other hand we also have a trend line. Okay. If I zoom out the chart, you can see that we also have a trend line from here acting as a dynamic support from the market. So at this particular level here, market has got dual support. First of all, support in the form of this horizontal line from the weekly chart, and this trend line, which is also the dynamic support for the market. So the strategy is simple. Right now you can see that on Friday market faced some selling during the last closing hours. So let the market open, and after the market opening, just wait for the right time and right opportunity, and the right time and right opportunity will be at this level. So when market will be coming down and touch the level of 1.2610, your duty is to observe the price and see. If you see the market trying to reverse from here, market forming hammer kind of a pattern or price being rejected from below, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, the market is taking support here and you can easily go for a buy here. On the other hand, if you see the same selling pressure is there in the market is witnessing heavy sell here, then do not short the market, do not go for buy position, and just avoid USD CAD in case there is a sudden selling pressure. Because if we look at the overall trend of the market here, then you can see that overall the market is kind of upward, and there is also a sideways kind of a tendency. So my dear friends, just listen to me. Your safest entry or safest position on USD CAD chart will be buy at here if market reverses. And just keep in mind, while executing the buy order, just go to the chart of DXY once, US dollar once, because generally we see that whenever dollar goes up, USD CAD also going up. When dollar goes down, USD CAD also going down. So just make sure when you are taking a buy position on USD CAD that US dollar DXY is also in uptrend. So in case you see heavy selling on DXY, then there is a possibility that DXY will be breaking the support and going down. So my dear friends, just get the additional confirmation from DXY US dollar chart. That's it. And it also has an external influence from the crude oil chart as well. But right now the DXY is looks important to me. Okay, so before going for buy at the support, just make sure DXY is also in your favor. So this is the simple strategy for USD CAD right now, because the chart is not that complex here. So my dear friends, this is it. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you on Monday again. Bye bye.